here's another a good problem. These are for special pricing, and when they say special pricing, they mean that this is somebody that came to you with a deal. Maybe they want a product altered a little bit, or you won't have to pay salesman's commissions on it. So it's something over and above your normal production. Okay, so that makes a big difference because you don't necessarily have to charge fixed overhead on it. Okay, for special pricing decisions, this fixed overhead is not going to be necessary because it's already covered by the normal production that you have. Okay, so this is the Baseball Hall of Fame in Cooperstown has approached a card company with a special order. They want to purchase 55,000 baseball card packs for a special promotional campaign, and at the selling price they're offering 33 cents per pack, okay, for a total of 18,150,000. 100 Cards total production cost is 53% per pack as follows. But we don't care about this piece. Now the other thing you've got to watch out for is that they've got enough capacity to handle the special order. But seriously, don't worry about it because we're not going to do any problems where they don't have enough capacity, okay? So what do we have to cover? We've got to cover our direct materials. Glad I got that out. Direct materials at 13 cents. Direct labor, this is going to be cash out the door, okay, at 4 cents. And variable overhead. So variable overhead varies in direct proportion to production, okay? And the variable overhead is 11 cents. So what is it really going to cost us? It's going to cost us 28 cents per pack. Okay? So this is what's different about the order. That's the only difference. Fixed overhead is irrelevant, so that this total cost here doesn't mean anything to us. So if they buy it for 33 cents a pack, they're going to make 5 cents a pack on it. Okay? So now they say, assume that the Hall of Fame wants a special hologram on the cards. Okay, they want maybe their name or something like that, and it's going to cost $5,000 to develop the hologram, which will be useless after the order is completed. Okay, so the question is, should they do it? So if they sell it, this is our cost. If they sell it for 33 cents a pack, then they're going to make 5 cents a pack contribution margin, right? And they're going to buy 55,000 packs. So the total amount that we'll have here, 55,000 times 0.05, 2750. Okay, that's going to be the total profit. That's the total profit on the whole thing. So do we have enough money to spend $5,000 for the hologram? The answer to this one would be no. Okay? Alrighty. So the key thing to remember with special order decisions is that the fixed overhead is not going to be relevant. And then you've just got to see, well, what cash will we be out? All right, that's all it is. And this is just a one-time order. Okay? All right.